Good morning, students. Today we are going to see Gauss elimination method. So using this method, how we are going to solve a system of linear equations. So consider this problem. Solve the following system of equations, and 3 equations are given by Gauss elimination method. So we are going to solve this by that method. So first we will write this equation as like this: Ax equal to b in this pattern. So here A is nothing but the coefficient of this equation. So just write all the coefficients of this equation. So first equation, x coefficient is 3, and then y coefficient 4, and z coefficient is z. And then second equation, similarly 2 minus 1, 8. Third equation, 5 minus 2, 7. Into x is nothing but the variables what we got. So that here we got x, y and z, which is equal to b is nothing but the constants which is in the right hand side. So 18, 13, 20. So now we are going to do a Gauss elimination method. For that, first we will write an augmented matrix A comma B, A comma B, which is nothing but just combine this A matrix and B matrix into a single matrix. So you will get 3, 4, 5, 2 minus 1, 8, 5 minus 2, 7, and write down this matrix B, 18, 13, 20. Okay, so now we are going to do row calculations like row echelon form as we did in the previous sessions. So we are going to do this by a row echelon form only. So first we are going to cancel the first elements in equation 2 and this equation 3, that is second and third line. So which is equal to, so write the first line terms as it is. So 3, 4, 5, 18. So now I am going to write this R2 as, so just if you want to cancel this 2 means just we can interchange the coefficients and multiply. Like if you want to cancel this 2 means the first line you multiply by this 2 and the second line multiplied by this 3, so that both the terms will get cancelled while subtracting. So that only I am going to do. So we can product this R2 by 3 minus 2 by R1, so that the first term will get cancelled, and here second term will become what? Minus 3 minus 3 minus 8. So you will get minus 11. And then here 8 into 3, 24 minus 10. So you will get 14. And here if you are producing 13 into 3 minus 18 into 2, you will get 3. Now come to R3. So same pattern, we will cancel the first element in row 3. So in this equation 5 is there, no? So you product this last row by 3 and first row by 5, so that the first element will get cancelled. So 3 R3 minus 5 R1. So if you are producting means we will get 5 3s are 15 minus 15. So the first element will become 0, and then 2 into 3. So we will get minus 6 minus 5 into 4, 20, minus 6, 20, minus 20. So you will get minus 26. Similarly 7 into 3, here third row, third element, 7 into 3, 21 minus 5 into 5, 25. So you will get minus 4. Similarly 20 into 3 minus 18 into 5. We will get minus 30. So likewise we got So now we'll move to the next step, the second step. So we are going to cancel this third row second element. So just we are going to convert it into a echelon form only. So you keep this first two rows as it is, 3, 4, 5, 18 and 0, minus 11, 14, 3, and then so I am going to do calculation for R3. So if you want to cancel third row, means you have to use only second row. So the same pattern, multiply this coefficient, interchange and multiply like this. So I am going to take this 11 and I am going to multiply by row 3 and this 26 into row 2. Just we can subtract, we will get the final one. So 11 into R3 minus 26 into R2. So that you will get 0, 0, and the last one will get 11 into 4. So you will get minus 44. Minus into minus will minus 26 into 14. So finally we will get minus 408. Similarly here 30 into 11 minus 26 into 11. So here also we will get minus 408. So like this we will get the answer. So which is equal to, now we will solve this, okay, by using the back substitution method. Back substitution is nothing but we have to solve this in the reverse order. So you know the first column is the coefficient of x and then it is coefficient of y and the third one is coefficient of z, last one is the constant term. So now we will expand from the last one. So while expanding we will get minus 408 into z is equal to minus 408. Finally on cancelling both the sides we will get z is equal to 1. Similarly expand the second row. So you will get minus 11y plus 14z is equal to 3. Z already we got the answer, so substitute that. So minus 11y plus 14 is equal to 3. Therefore we will get minus 11y is equal to, take this 14 to right hand side, so we will get 3 minus 14, that means minus 11 you will get. Finally cancelling on both the sides we will get y is equal to 1. Now expand the first row. So the first row is 3x plus 4y plus 5z is equal to 8. So already we got that z and y value, so substitute those values. Therefore 3x plus y is equal to 1, so we will get 4, z also is 1, so we will get 5, which is equal to 8. So this implies you will get 3x is equal to 4 plus 5, you will get 9. Take this 9 to the right hand side. 18 minus 9, you will get 9. So here you will get finally x is equal to 3. So cancelling this, you will get x is equal to 3. So finally by Gauss elimination method we got, so this implies x equal to 3, y equal to 1 and z equal to 1. So this is our final answer. So by Gauss elimination actually we got this answer. So the same questions can be solved by calculator also, but by Gauss elimination we are getting the same answer. Thank you.